Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue working in our method book on the flute with line 31, Good King Wenceslas. And as always, I like to point out one of the really cool things about this method book is that on every page or every other page, there is a fingering chart up at the top that shows you all of the notes that you will be using on that page and what it's called, what it looks like on the staff, and then how it works on your instrument. So we're using the same 5 notes we've been using. We have an F on line 5, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1 and pinky. We have an E flat on space 4. So thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pinky. We have a D on line 4, same fingering minus the foot joint pinky. Then we have a C on space 3, which switches out everything. So then it's just the first finger and the pinky on the foot joint and no other fingers, including the thumb. And then finally, the B flat on the third line. We add the thumb, we add the first finger, and that is your B flat on the flute. So now we're going to apply all of that to line 31. We always have our treble clef. We have our key signature of 2 flats. B flat on the third line tells us all B's are flat. E flat on the fourth space, tells us all E's are flat. But we have a new time signature today. The time signature is 2/4 time. The top number tells us the number of beats per measure. So in this case, we only count up to 2. The bottom number still tells us the value of the whole note. So even though we don't have whole notes, we still use it to figure out the value of everything else. So as always, if the whole note gets 4, half of a whole is a half of 4 is 2, the half notes get 2 beats. And then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So the quarter notes and the quarter rest get 1 beat each. So now we're going to go through and look to see what we have. We start in measure 1 with an E flat, thumb 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, pinky. We play 3 in a row going into measure 2, and then we go up to an F, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1 and pinky. Then we go back to the E flat, play that twice, down to the B flat, thumb and 1, 1 and pinky. That gets 2 beats. Then in measure 5, we go to the C, so just 1 and pinky, back to B flat, C, switch everything out to the D, add the pinky for the half note E flat, and then you have one more quarter note E flat followed by a quarter rest. So now we're going to go through and play line 31. I hope you can play along and keep up and start each note with a t sound. Here we go, nice and tall. 1, 2, ready. And that is line 31 on the flute. New time signature of 2/4 time. I hope this was helpful, and we will see you next time.